Oh yeah, still working out of book 2. We got pack 4. We got that big hood in here. Let's do this. Ooh, look at this. We got to get this big hood out. Oh my. Yes. Got the hood pins. Looks like we're just setting this to the side for now. We're going to be installing some grill and some LED lighting. Okay, we're going to start with this larger grill piece. Goes in the upper portion. How does this go in here like that? This thing's pretty thin. Feels like plastic to me. So be careful with it. Secure it with DSO3 screws. Get that one started. Get this one started. Snug it. And snug that one. Okay. Yeah, I don't like how... I wish that was metal. It feels plastic to me. Pretty thin too. Fog light time. Check this out. Got some fogs. They're going to dip into here. Alright, secure in place with DSO2 screws. It's going into metal, but the fog itself is plastic, so don't over tighten. Load up another screw, have that ready. Dip your fog light in. Snug. I like it. Ooh, yes. Next up, we got a couple of cables here. They're actually, in the instructions, they're called O4F. They do have labels on them, 1 and 2, but it doesn't specify which goes to which side. I don't think it's really going to matter because they're the same cable. I'm going to use number 1 first. You can see it has 2 LEDs, so it's pigtailed off each other. We're going to install these, one in the main headlight and one in the fog. And this should, I'm going to put my finger on the back side of that. It should just press right in place. Woo. See what I mean? You got to be careful. You don't want to break your plastic tab there. Same for this fog light down here. Support it on one side. Carefully press in your bulb. Something like that. Then actually, I think we kind of need to bend our pigtail. It's showing something like that. Maybe on this side, man, they show a lot more slack than what I actually have. Rinse and repeat on this other side, on the left side. Name of the game, be careful when you're pressing these in. Support it on this side. That one pressed in like real easy. It's snug, but It slid in real easy. Fog light. Again, support it back there. That should work. I think as long as your cable can be out of the way down under that, that's how it's going to look, then you should be fine. Lower grill, you do have tabs. So these tabs are going to be oriented this way. And you got the curved portion of the grill with the little sharp sides. Just match that up to this contour. Now what's weird about this, and I actually almost installed it this way because it gives, and you could do it that way, it gives room for those cables, but it really doesn't. That's not how it shows. So you want to do it this way, and then the cables are just going to be kind of pushing through the grill right there. Kind of dumb. On the parts here, they should have had a little notch for the cables. DSO2 screws, 2 of them, 1 on each tab. Got that one started. Load up another screw. I'm going to start this one and actually run this one down to contact and just snug. These little grill tabs, the grill is plastic, so we'll run this one to contact and just snug. There we go. But let's see what it looks like on the front side. Oh yeah, no worries, no worries. I dig it. We're done. There we go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate you out there. Until the next one. Boom.